this video tutorial we will demonstrate how to create an automation that sends data from a straight table to a Microsoft Teams channel as a message. To get started, navigate to My Automations and click on the Create Automation button. In the Connectors tab, select Microsoft Teams and then choose the template Send Straight Table Data to Microsoft Teams as a message. In the Select Field Value, use the DoLookup function to search the app you want to use in this automation. In the field name, use the DoLookup function again to find the name of the field you wish to include. In this case, we'll add director. In the field value, use the DoLookup function to search for the value you want to use. In our example, we add Francis Ford Coppola. Within the Get Straight Table data block, use the DoLookup function to find the app ID. In this example, we select the App Movie database. In the Sheet ID field, locate and select the sheet that contains your table. In our example, it's the Film Details sheet. In the Object ID field, select the table you want to use. In our example is the Film Details table. In the Variable Message block, customize the message that will be sent, including values from the straight table. We add the item title from the Get Straight Table data block. Repeat this process for the other items you want to include. In our example, we'll also add the items Year, Rating, and Director. Once you have configured the message, proceed to set up the Send Message block. For the Team ID, use the DoLookup function to find your Microsoft team. In the Channel ID field, search for the channel to which you want to send the message. After completing these steps, click Run to run the automation. Once the automation run is finished, you can check your Microsoft Teams channel. You'll see that a message has been sent, including values taken from the Film Details table. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.